Hey everybody, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. When it comes to selling your house, people think about trying to make as much money as possible by improving it. And a lot of people think about the kitchen, which is a very expensive and time-consuming task. Now, if you think about the washroom, it's a much smaller place and you can get just as much bang for your buck. Here are 3 tips on what you can do to renovate your washroom. Number 1, add more storage. Washrooms store everything from extra toothpaste to extra toilet paper. And if you think about 1 to 2 to 3 people sharing a washroom, you have double or triple the amount of stuff you have to store. So consider adding more storage below the sink or above the toilet to please people's storage needs. Number 2, replace or add tile. The easiest way to make a washroom look updated, clean, and modern is to replace the floor tile or the shower tile. This easy fix can make your washroom look brand new and appeal to all buyers' interests. Number 3, update the lighting. If it's been a while, or perhaps a decade since you last replaced your light fixtures in the washroom, consider doing this. It's a relatively inexpensive way that you can modernize and update the entire look of the room. For more bathroom renovation tips, please get in touch with us. It'd be my pleasure to hook you up with one of our great designers or contractors to make your bathroom dreams become a reality. If you're thinking about buying or selling this summer, please also get in touch with me because setting up a plan is the most important way to achieving your goals. Thank you very much for stopping by our channel. If you have any questions or if you're looking to buy or sell, go to our website and contact us today. Knowledge is power and creates experts in understanding. If you want power, hit thumbs up on this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get weekly videos from me, your knowledge broker.